you're probably wondering, like, Amazon lashes, where they do that at? And I also bet you're thinking, those can't be good. They're trash. Like, it's Amazon. Like, they don't even do lashes. Like, come on, baby girl. Well, I went into this thinking that, you know, Amazon lashes would be trash. So that's not the case. So let me give y'all the real intro, and I'll see y'all soon. All right. She wants that, go get it. She wants that, go get it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty by Brittany. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 10 pairs of faux mink lashes. I'm going to be trying them on and letting y'all know if it's the deal, or not even if it's just the deal, if they are cute. And yeah, so I bought these 10 pair of lashes from Amazon, and the company's name is ay.marie, and they're all faux mink lashes, and we can go ahead and talk about it. The band is really thin, so it's not hard to put on. It's actually easy. So yeah, let's get into it. I feel like a waitress. I've never been a waitress holding up a plate of delicious lashes to coat you beautiful lashes. So these are how all the lashes look like. So they're all really dramatic and really pretty. I think the lashes range from 16 millimeters to 25, and these are the 25 mm's. So I don't know if you've been living under a rock or not been on Instagram. The 25 millimeter lashes have been really popular. These look really crazy. So I also want to see if the hype is real. So I'll be trying these on for y'all. I'm already wearing one of the lashes. And so of course with lashes, you're gonna need tools, right? So you're gonna take your glue. My favorite is the brush on kind of formula, and it's from Duo. So you just brush it on the strip lash and pop them bad boys on. A pair of lash curlers for your natural lashes, because my lashes are curly, so I curl them like this to make them straighter, like my real lashes. So I curl them to make them straighter so that these lashes can go on easier. So gonna need a pair of scissors to trim the end and a pair of tweezers. These of course have no names, but we're just going for the style. So it has a number D22 at the bottom, right there, D22. And these are full lashes, wispy. You want to grab the lash with your tweezer. Plop the lashes down where you can see them, or not, you're gonna lose them. And that's no fun. Another lash out. Place this on my real lash line and measure it and then cut the extra. But I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm pretty sure I know what the extra looks like. So I'm gonna cut off this much. I wanna cut off too much or too big, because if you do, what happens? It just looks bad, okay? And so like I said, the lash band is so thin. These look like the falsies that you would get done individually by a professional. So that's why I like these ones. All right guys, so this is the D22 on the eyes. Okay, this is how we're looking, you know, real fluttery like, real big ball shit like. All right, let me stop. Basically super full, like they look really good. So one thing about these lashes, I will let y'all know, people might not let y'all know because they want to sell a bug, but I will let y'all know that these kind of lashes, they only look good with eyeshadow. Me personally, false lashes like these, strip lashes, only look good when I have eyeshadow, because they really complement the eyeshadow look, you feel me? So D22 babies. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Is number 14. Let's see how these ones look like, and I'll be back, honeys. Alright guys, this is D14. I totally love these lashes because the other one were a lot dramatic and this one is reduced dramaticity, reduced drama. And honestly, if I was feeling froggy, I could wear this to work. So I really like these lashes. These are really cute and are more toned down. So let's go to the next one. S213, S213, S213. So I'm gonna try these on and I'll be right back. S213, super CEO-like. Like it's, I think you could wear this to work if you're a lash wearing person. So yeah, S213 people. 11s. These are my favorite lashes. Oh my god, I don't even wear them. They're so like new. E11 everybody. My favorite lashes, like I said. Let's move on to the next one. So now we are moving on to the more wispier, fluttery lashes once again. Next one we have is Z11 and this one is definitely fuller, thicker, wispy. At the end of this, I really want you guys to let me know which one's your fave and which style would you rock more, basically. Normally, like I said, I normally put like 2 layers of glue, but because I'm taking these off and applying a new one, I'm only just doing 1 layer, and you always want to make sure that the inner corners have the most glue. And oh my god, these lashes rock. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Man. So we got the crazy lashes that y'all always see on Instagram. These ones, right here. What are you doing? Who are we? We are the spider lashes, okay? These are the E80s. Baby boy. These are the popular spider lashes on Instagram, like I said before. Now, you and I are not gonna walk out in the street wearing these lashes. No, we're not. But if we're doing like a crazy look, I think I see why people love this look. Or maybe I'm gonna try it on a different, like really subdued eyeshadow look and maybe have it be the star of the show. But these are the lashes. They don't look horrible on me, but I will not wear this out personally. I'll be right back. These are the last ones. These are the E87s. Conclude the video with this note. Amazon lashes, they were really cute. I was really impressed with them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know which lash was your favorite. There were 10 lashes in this video, and let me know if you like more videos like this. I will talk to y'all next time.